for this man here. Papa we. This man will not come and lie to you that he gave this money to MPP or the macro onka. You see, yeah, Papa, Honorable Ken Agyapong Koka say, okay, funding members of the NPP, and he used some $3 million or borrowed $3 million in 1992 to sponsor a party NPP when the party wanted to contest in the general elections in 1992. And this has got a lot of people talking. A lot of people are speaking. And one thing I don't understand about Ghana, and this is one thing I have been advocating for, a official way of keeping our history. Ghana, we are so bad at keeping our history. We are so bad at keeping records. Very, very bad. So bad. Until today, it is happening. But see, it's still happening. We don't know how to keep records. Even families. When you go and ask for the meaning of your surname, wahala. Ghana, when you go and ask for the meaning of your surname, I remember the day I went to ask for the meaning of my surname, the stories I heard, wahala. Why to meet yourself now to say it does not make any sense. So in Ghana, no, we are so bad at keeping records of history. And it's for that matter that today, we don't even know if we should say that there's a founding father or the founding fathers of Ghana. Joshua, thank you so much. Okatecheba, thank you. Welcome. We don't even know. Till now, we don't know if we should say that Kwame Nkrumah is the sole founder or there were founders. So when MPP comes, Founders Day. When NDC comes, founder. Then they remove they bring the apostrophe before the S. Those are the kind of easy politics we've been doing. It is because we don't know how to keep our history. We don't know how to keep records. So anybody can get up and lie. Yeah. I know this corona that happened 2020. 10 years from now, the kind of lies people are going to tell. Me too, I'll be telling some. Me too, I'll be telling some of the lie. It is because we don't know how to keep records. Please keep power tapping and keep sharing. We don't know how to keep records. If we had kept records, and Obi Mbekachire say in 1992 he gave $3 million. Ghana, Ghana, this Ghana, who had $3 million in 1992? Which bank? Or say Cal Bank. Cal Bank na 1990 mono. Cal Bank na nye bank. 1990 mono. Cal Bank no. Na nye banko. Na nye bank. And Cal Bank was instituted in its former version in 1990. And in 2 years, when a bank raising loan $3 million to give to somebody to go and use to sponsor a political party. Why would you want me to say avoid the NRCSM? Why would TSM we are NRCSM straightforward, no bear, no kef? But the person is going around and he's saying all these things. Why? Because there is no record. Right now, he's saying he has given you $3 million. You don't have any record there to show that these are the people who gave $3 million. Or these are the people who gave money. So how are you going to challenge it? So it becomes someone's word against another person's word. Whichever camp you find yourself in, you flow by their narrative, which is bad. So NPP, let's learn to keep records. This Congress we went to, we know Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia gave 6 million Ghana cedis plus. Keep the record. Keep the record. Why are you not keeping record? Why are we not keeping record? So that tomorrow when someone comes and says that this Congress, he gave 20 million, we say, hey, you are lying. Now Congress, in our budget now is 16 million. Now we are there at 20 million. So we are very important. Let's keep records so that people stop lying. And it's just becoming funny how somebody that we all Ghanaians were told that or a truthful person, only or canukre or canadri. How someone who canukre and canadri has become a liar. First was in his sister designed for Kwame despite a car show. No? Later on, it was shown that it was a lie. Okay, then again you come and say you gave $3 million in 1992. Now we are seeing is a lie. Mama Pounds, welcome. Neck pressing, welcome. We cannot keep like this. And these are clear signs that the person does not qualify. Anybody who feels that he has to lie, okay? Anybody who feels that he or she has to lie to be accepted by people clearly has an issue with self-esteem. That is it. And anyone who has an issue with self-esteem clearly cannot be a leader. It's as simple as that. If you are lying, okay, to get yourself recognized, if you are lying to feel accepted, you did not give $3 million US. You say you claim you gave it out because you know maybe people who were there around that time are now dead, or people they will not want to come and talk. You are lying for people to accept you. It means you have a low self-esteem. Any leader who has low self-esteem can sell the country. Yeah. If you go and vote for a president who has low self-esteem, or Koshia Obiti said Donald Trump, they will intimidate him to sell the country. So clearly, Fosu Bill Gates, Dumping Mafia cannot be the leader of the NPP because he is lying. These days, he's lying too much. He's lying to try to convince us delegates, but we will not buy those lies. Right? Very, very important. ɛXposɛd, that was just a warm-up. That was just a warm-up. Okay, so to clear that issue that will be $3 million US 1992. Now 1992, no Ghana Krana GDP saying. A GDP saying Ghana 1992 na GDP saying that one person will take a loan $3 million to dash a political party. How? ɛXposɛd can say how. Type how in the comment section. We the Toli. So that is about that. That is about that. So for Fosu Bill Gates these days is lying too much. Now Papa Penny Awenyaska, you say you have the biggest. Moses is here. Moses, I see you. That's the biggest cold store in the whole of West Africa. You don't want us to hear and all those things. And now you started lying, resorted to lying. Please. So for when you come in, this is what we are going to discuss. User Sapoma Mama Pounds. How? 1992, 3 million. On your free. Carl Bank, 1990. Now 2 years later, then they give you for Fosu Bill Gates $3 million US. Hey, nyabotre ya munyabotre. Ya semba munyabotre. More for Fosu Bill Gates camp. No catch no say ya semba on nyabotre. NPP, we have to start keeping records. Let's learn to keep records so that moving forward, we will not be finding some of these people. So that is why I always say that to cut everything short, let's vote for this man here. Papa we. This man will not come and lie to you that he gave this money to NPP or the Macron. That's what we want. Papa we are Baumia. If he gives money to NPP, he will not tell you. Because a duty. We are supposed to feed the elephant. If you have an animal, don't you feed it? You have a pet, don't you feed it? Yes. It is your duty to feed the elephant. So when you feed the elephant, you don't know to go and call Joy News, City TV, Accra FM, and the rest. Power FM and code that mina minio, mama elephant, no mama sunu esco, mama sunu siko, musheo, mina mama 1 million. No, you don't do that. Saka say toli how in 1992. Toli saran yempe. Etebeya asim Bill Gates. Ya chasu. Why? Chasu. I don't know unya bindi. This thing, the thing is say sometimes you should know. For Bill Gates say, you are a good material for ABR, Minister of Employment. Yeah. Now now 31 million people. If all of us should become president, then how many years will it take?